Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to design a greeting card using Canva. Now without further ado, let's get started. Now first things first, all you need to do is go to your computer browser, and you can choose any browser that you want. Next, go to the Canva website, that is www.canva.com, and make sure to log in into your Canva account. And I'm using the free version because it is accessible to everyone. So let's get started. First, go to create a design right here and go to custom design or custom size and change this into inches and make sure the width is 10 and the height is 7. So as I input that, Canva suggested a folded card that is in portrait. So just click on that, or you can just select create a new design. So I'm just gonna select this one. So once you've done that, this is now your workspace. So this is where you will be designing or creating your folded card. So right here, as you can see, there is a thin gray line at the middle. So this is where you will be folding your card. So this will be the reference of where you will be folding your card once you print this card. So on the left side right here, this is the back side of your card once you fold it, and on the right side, this is your front side of your card once you fold this. So there are tons of templates you can use. So for example, I want to create a Valentine's Day card. So I'm just gonna click on design right here and search folded card portrait. So I'm just gonna click on or search on Valentine's Day folded card. So as you can see, there are a lot of templates you can use. Some are free, so some requires the pro version of Canva right here, and some requires payment for you to use. So I'm using the free version again, and let's choose a free design by Canva. So I'm just gonna choose this one, and you can customize your card by adding some text or by adding some elements to it. So once you've done that, or once you are satisfied on the template that is pre-made by Canva, just click on share right here and click on download and choose PDF print. So PDF print is best for printing, and you can use this for giving to your loved ones or for giving to your friends on Valentine's Day. So let's say if you want to create a personalized greeting card for Valentine's Day. So what I usually do is go to elements, and let's say Valentine's Day is all about hearts and love, so I'm just gonna search on hearts under elements and click on photos. So as you can see, there are a lot of photos you can use as your background for your card. So I'm just gonna choose a background for my card. Let's try this one. So once I click on that, I'm now gonna drag this photo to fit into my workspace or my canvas like that. And now if I want to add some text to it, I'm just gonna go to text and click on add a text box. So I'm making a Valentine's Day card, so I'm just gonna type on Happy Valentine's Day. Now if I want to change the font style, I'm just gonna click on right here and choose the font that I want. So I'm just gonna drag on this on the right side because this is the front side of the folded card when it will be printed. So that's it. I like this one, and so if I want to change the font size, I'm just gonna click on right here and choose the size I want. It's just a little bigger, so let's choose a smaller font size. So right here, this will be perfect. Now if I want to change the color, I'm just gonna choose or click on right here. This is text color option, and you can choose any color that you want to use that will fit into your card. So I'm just gonna choose the white color. Let's see if it fits. Perfect, that is good. And now let's say I want to add a border or a background to my text box. So just go to elements right here and search on shapes. Or go to lines and shapes right here, click on see all. And now you can choose any shape you want to put into your text box. So what I usually choose is this square right here. I'm just gonna drag it into my text and adjust like that to fill in. Or you can adjust it a little bit smaller so that it won't be very awkward. And you can adjust the font size like that. Now I want to add another text. This time I'm gonna say I love you right here. So I'm just gonna change the font size like that and change the font color. And now I want to add another background to the text box. So again, just click on elements and shapes right here. So that's it. And on my left side, I want to add another design like a heart or a flower. So if you want to do that, just click on elements again and search for an element that you want. So I'm gonna add a flower, so I'm just gonna search for flower like that. And you can go to graphics or photos. So let's just go to graphics right here and choose a flower that fits into my card. So this requires the pro version, so you can't use that. So the only way to use that is to pay or to subscribe to Canva Pro. So right here, this is good. Let's choose another one because that requires the pro version of Canva. So right here, this is free. So I'm just gonna put it somewhere right here so it won't be boring to look at. And choose another flower right like that. And I want to add another text right here, and this time I want to add a pre-made text with a font style. So right here you can choose a pre-made design that Canva has made. I'm just gonna choose this one because it is color pink and I have a pink preset on my card. So like that, I'm just gonna leave it like that. I want to say thank you to someone that I want to send this to. Just drag into like that into the heart. I'm just gonna adjust this one a little bit higher. Like that. So right now I am satisfied on what I have made so far. And so if you're done or if you're satisfied on what you have made, you can just click on share right here and go to download, and file type should be PDF print if you want to print this and made this into a card. Or if you want just or if you just want to send it to email or to Facebook or through Messenger or through any social media um, platforms, you can just choose PDF standard. Now if you want, so again, if you want to print this, just click on PDF print. So this is, as you can see right here, is best for printing, and PDF standard is best for documents and emailing. So on my account, I want to print this one, so I'm just gonna click on PDF print right here and click on download. So I'm just gonna wait for my download to finish, and now go to the folder you want to save and click on save. So as you can see, I saved it into my desktop, and here it is. And there you have it. I've already created my greeting card using Canva. So if you want to print this, just click on print right here and make sure your printer is ready and on the go. And that's it for this video, everyone. And if you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!